So this is what I sound using the microphone. This is what I sound without the microphone. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are my returning subscribers, you mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for coming back here. And if you are seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Samuel Bella. In this channel, we teach a lot of things and we add value to each other's lives. All right, in today's video, we will be talking about how to install the mini lavalier microphone to your mobile phone. So without wasting much time, let us dive into the video. For you guys to understand the essence of this video, I'm going to show you guys my own lavalier microphone that I'm using. This is the one I'm using. It was purchased sometimes last year for the sum of 4,000 naira or thereabouts. I can't really remember because it was a gift to me. And it says over here that it is compatible with iPhone, iPod Touch, Android or Windows smartphones and more. So it also has an instruction at the back because most people may want to use this thing for the karaoke application. Anyway, so it says please install karaoke software or recording software device, please install karaoke software or recording software on your device. Plug the microphone into the device. Use the clip to hold it onto your collar. This is the clip over here that I'm using to hold it to my collar. Enable the software. Then you can sing songs and record at pleasure. The just saved recordings of songs can be shared to your phone and so on. Now, let us come to where there is the basic thing. So this is an instruction manual that came along with it. You see, it has all, I don't know if this is showing, I don't really know if it's showing, but I just hope you guys can see it. So it says over here that notes must check the 3.5mm 4-section plug is suitable for your device, otherwise it will not work. That means this point, this what's it called, this wire part and the part where I insert into my mobile phone, it has to be compatible and suitable for my device. Then it says your phone will not go to headphone mode when the mic be plugged in. Number 2. So that is my point now. That is where we're going in. Your phone should not go into the headphone mode when it is plugged in. Unfortunately, most phones go into headphone mode and people just use it like that to record. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how we're going to do it. So without wasting much time, let us go over to Play Store and download an app. The app's name is Open Camera. Once the app is fully downloaded, just open it, click on that icon up there, the settings, to change some settings. So once you have opened that, look for where video settings is written. After you have seen video settings, click on it. Scroll down till you see where audio source is written. When you see it, click on it. Then click on external mic if present. That is all. You can just go back and record as many videos as possible with effective change on the audio. So this is what I sound using the microphone and the Open Camera app. This is what I sound without the microphone. Now this is what I sound like using the lavalier microphone and the camera that comes along with my phone. This simply shows that this camera is incompatible with the lavalier microphone. Alright, I hope this video was helpful. Please, if it was, give me a thumbs up, comment in the comment section down below and share the link to this video with your friends and family. I hope you can now freely record your YouTube videos, your cover songs and lots more and enjoy the experience. Okay guys, bye. But before you leave, I hope you stay safe, stay healthy and don't forget to mask up. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I hope to see you in my next videos.